This is the Run on Ruby certificate installation video. With the laser machine on, select the settings button at the top right side of the touchscreen. Then select the Ruby remote button. Scan QR codes and save the link of one or both of the paths for the certificate. This will be unique for each machine. Either path will work. Open either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge web browsers on a computer in the same network. Type in one of the two certificate paths, then select Enter. Go to Downloads and select the certificate and open. Click Install Certificate. Then select Next. Select Place all certificates in the following store. Then select Browse. Select the Trusted Root Certificate Authorities folder. And then select OK and select Finish. The certificate is now installed. If you have any questions, go to rubyhelp.com, or if there is any issue, try the other certificate path.